Ladies and gentlemen, ophambi kwenu onibingelelayo nguSakhile Mqwathi. You are watching it dope, hot and fresh. Igama nguSakhile njengoba sengishilo phambilini aka uPsycho Psyco. Ngiqhamuka le eMpumalanga kwezinye zezindaba ezinhle. Sinentaba lapha ngakithi ebhaliwe siyibiza uthaka. Siphuza uthaka olumanzi abomvu la ngiqhamuka khona.
Dope, hot and fresh all day, every day is too much.
Okay, angithi igama uPsycho vele ngale rap ngiyahla nginamba ngivutha umlilo ngishaya itrack eshisa plus ngeflow ngiyaphithiza ngilolu love ophandaya. Those are where the bars ukuthi nje ngiqale ngintroduce myself, but then the main bars engiwathanda kakhulu ngenhliziyo yami yonke. These are the one. The only time I look back is when I'm picking a lesson. I make sure I grab and go and let the past be past. Instead of checking what went past, I'll be checking what's next. And most of what I went past, being passed by colors, A+, then I had to put it straight on the record. As a proof with a pick, I don't do registers. Magic West, cause I do it on the track as a record. Next thing, I'll be in the video sharing record. But the truth never trends, I'ma do it anyway. Nice, okay. Engwenzayo mina. Basically hip hop music, but then engwenzayo it's conscious rap. I speak to conscious yomuntu, I shake you rap yami based kuma social issues, based kuloko affectayo so umphakathi ngabantu. I usually look at what affects us or what affects people around, what affects me, and share my story. Kuleso story ngisharayo ngishare ukuthi ngimotivate, ngi-empower, ngi-engage with the society engakithi noma le esiphila nayo, because currently siyabona nathi ukuthi kwenzakalani around, but then somehow asikho able ukushare a story, but then mina ngithini, let me share my own story through my own music. I-art, ngizoqala nje ngikhulume nge-art. I-art ngiqale ngenkathi ngiqala ukwenza umusic. Ngaqala 2009 ukwenza rap, so mangaqala 2009 ngenza rap, ngahamba ama stages, kwaba nezinto engizidevelopayo, nezinto engiyifundayo ngoba phela vele umuntu uyafunda elifeini ya phela ukufunda as abaningi behleli besho masebeshilo before ukufunda akupheli, so nami ngifundile ngakhetha ngabamba lapha nalapha. So umusic ungintroduce entweni eyiningi elifeini, and umusic wenze ilife ngayibona ukuthi cha ilife yadepend on music is life, life is music, and konke lokukhandwe ngani ngothando. So ngithi sebenzelayo esisebenzisayo creativity. So with creativity siyakwazi ukuthi-expressa siveze ngendlela esiyiyona indlela sakhe ngani indlela esitale ngayo. So sinama talent ahlukahlukene, sonke sazalwa sifumbethe amabesho, sonke siyabona futhi kuyenzeka. So kuloko kufumbatha lokho mina ngangifumbethe kwaba yitalent lokucula hip hop lapha ukuthi ngikwazi ukushaya ama-rhymes. So ekushayeni kwami ama-rhymes kwaba kuningi ngufundayo ngaphakathi. I can draw, I can do a lot of things, and then ngabuya manje ngokukhula ngabo even organizer ama-event business izinto, ngithola isipanda lapha ngajoin i-organization yaka Love Life, ngabe i-facilitator. So ezibona ngiyakhula, so kuningi engikufundayo. Ngahamba ngenza even i-leadership program be-introduced yi-Forgotten Angle Collaboratives. So kulapho ngathola a big skill esokuthi ngi-equipheke ngikhulu okuningi ngufunde along the way njengoba ngisho. So ithema engithola i-help ngithole vele bengivele sengirejistile as a company eye-video art gallery. I-video art gallery ngenza laphayana, ngenza music, ngiyaproducer, ngiyarecordisa, ngenza almost everything ebhekana no-music, ngenza ama-videos nje ubona nje kuvele kuhlela ngako dope, hot and fresh. I also have eyami YouTube channel la engibeke khona nami khona okanje ngibeka amanye ama-artist angakithi, because nami ngibhekelela wona wangakithi ama-artist la ngiqhamuka khona siyakhulisana. So without ukuthi sikhulisana ngesikwazi ukufinyelela la sifika khona, because uyazi amehlo athagetha la sekuphushwe khona, so thina kumele siphushane ukuze siye somewhere.
Sanibonani lapho enibukela khona ngoba ngiyazi ngiyabukela somewhere. So la iduzo kwami namhlanje ngiphethe igroup ebalekile, iqembu elibalekile lase Wakkerstrom abanqobi. Mhlawumbe yamangala ngeke ukuthi abawuthube ngeke abanqobi, but then ngiyathemba automatically on the slides kuyavela lapho uyakwazi ukubona ukuthi ngiphethe abanqobi. Ngikhuluma ngabanqobi ngikhuluma ngani. Kule minyaka emibili noma emithathu esiyaqala from 2016, 17, 18. Kule minyaka yomthathu kwaba nama-events ngiyawenza, bayawenza nabanye but bengekho indaba. So lokho njengomuntu obusy ne-constitution eshoyo ukuthi ke mina I have to focus more on reaffirming ikasi culture. All I did was to reaffirm ikasi culture.
So ngizama ukusho kukanje namhlanje ngilapha phambi kwakho I'm willing to go big in Bedouin. And I have trust and I have hope ukuthi one day I'm gonna make it big and I'll go big ngakho konke engikwenzayo because ngine passion ngibekezelile ngisazobekezela futhi ngisazoqhubeka ngibekezela ngoba ngiyafunda. So into eyenzakalayo kaso i-art ingifundisile ukuhlangana nabantu, i-art ingifundisile ukusebenzisana nabantu, i-art ingifundisile ukuba usakhile ngimaintain ngiqhubeke nempilo ngiye phambili because everything uyibonayo yenzakalayo ngaphandle basically it's art. And must beg art somehow parts. But then I believe one day art is over on top because whatever you see is made out of art. So organization and company gallery specialize on music, documentaries, short clips on my videos, my events, including facilitation, and I'm willing to make it big and to go big. And even in music, steps, and easy. Procedures and processes so I'm still pushing, being a team, a little cooling, but then now it's just me, myself, and I'm willing to push forward and so so today, I met awesome people, great people, because lances of art administration, introduced our Department of Arts and Culture. So just for me to be empowered to and please, whenever you get time, tune into my YouTube channel. Ungibheke lapha ngoSakhile Mqwathi, ungibheke ku Facebook ngoSakhile Psyco Mqwathi. Ngina ama page lami le VAG le video at introducer VAG brand. Ngiyatholakala lapha yana, that's where I post almost everything engiyenzayo nengibhizi ngayo, including ama videos engikhuluma ngawo, ama pictures. Bengazi nami life ino ante ngicela ngiphotographer, but currently I'm a photographer because the art iyafundisana iyakhana each and every day. There's always a step to take whenever you're doing art or whenever you're busy with art. So ngizocela nje ukubonga ithuba lonke ngilitholana le ngithole manje lana ukuthi ke ngikwazi ukwenza this interview with dope hot and fresh entertainment. Ngibonge nethimba elisemva kwecamera, ngibonge uMiss osilethile ngapha iSipikwa department uMsitsali, ngibonge bonke abantu abakhona abazobukela. So I thank you for this moment.
Just a young boy living life however what simpila inama rules bheka phela ngiphila umathana ngisanokuvuka nango 8 ngibheke scale nyochap ngibhala u4 phambi kwathisha maye ngikhuza ngilahla isandla ngiphatha incwadi for the what principal in jump ngifaka utie for the what scale valley ground la u26 igama lami inombolo usiko lami I smoke and I drink whenever I like I got plenty of friends asikhuzeka sikhuzana I'm a victim of my background ukulwa kancane ngiyeke isikolo ngoba ngiboreka ngiphila ukhuze kasi my life is so bad now every day I can't blow my tail.
So la ku music I have an album engiyicomplethile bengisayicomplete ngibhizi ngisebenzana nemember yami beku-Chris. So i-album leyo bengibiza nge-Natural Selection Survival of the Fittest. So kuyona ngeke ngathi mase ngiwani ngaqhubeka ngenza expanded project esibiza nge-EP. I wanna leyo I don't wanna talk about, but then I can talk about it. I gotta talk about it. Why not? Because it's mine. So into eyenzakalayo so ineyingoma ezi-fresh, ezimnandi, ezi-entertaining, ezi-motivational, ezikwazi ukukhulisa nawe umuntu. So iyona engisayibekile ekuthenini ngizokwazi ukuyirelease nabengibisela ukuthi ke manje this December ngizoqala ngithi boom ngibeke ngaphandle. So but manje ngicabanga ukuthi angikhiphe nje single first. Kune single engizoyiletha ekhona la ku-EP Natural Selection Survival of the Fittest. So kulesimo leso ngizocela ukuthi kwamanje mawufuna ukuyithola Survival of the Fittest hamba ku YouTube lapha ku YouTube channel yami uSakhile Mqwathi uzoyithola lapha ngilistile zonke ingoma from track 1 to track 14 sikhona zonke ezimnandi zalaleka ngeke ngahamba ne1 yabathatha khona ngithandayo kakhulu ngibiza ngobathatha it's one of those songs leyo it's more of entertainment. So ngeke ngihamba ngoyenza ku station in Newcastle locally. So indlela ukwazi ku-channel ngibeke ngaphandle. So right now njengoba sihle lapha ku YouTube isikhathi sakho ukuthi wena ubukelayo ukwazi nohamba uyimamele izihamba kanjani wenze lo music day njengoba bisana abanye amachita. Motivation is just there, encourage is just there, everything is just there. So please tune in ukwazi ukuyimamela yonke le album just lapha ku YouTube ihleli khona nje linde wena. Ziningi ezinye zikhona, ziningi ezinye sazokuza. Music ngiyawuphilela, music ngiphila ngawo, music uyasiphilisa. So ngicela ukuthi tune in there, umamele, after ukumamela ukwazi ukuthi comment ngenzansi, drop a comment ukuthi I like this one or you do not like this one, because ngivale nge-twisted. I love twist twist yona track engiyithanda kakhulu because ikhuluma with whatever that is affecting us and summarizile kamnandi yakwenza kwaba yinto enhle. So into engicela ukuyisho manje, singama-artist siyadinga ukuthi sizi-equipe nge-education, siyadinga ukuthi ithuba nethuba esilitholayo elidila nge-paperwork siligrabhe silibambele eduze and siyimastari i-paperwork because i-paperwork iyona eyenza umsebenzi wethu ukuthi uqhubekele phambili. I-paperwork iyona eyenza ukuthi sibe ne-profile estandard emini. Angithandi nami one day qhamuka sengithi yazi kube kuthiwa ngafunda ukuthi kube kuthiwa ngageja ukuthi man, I saw this opportunity and I was like, let me just grab it because ngiyakudinga lokhu kuze ngikwazi ukuya somewhere. One day nami ngifuna ukusayinisa wami ama-artist engizokwazi ukuqhubeka nawo phambili, but then without information angikwazi ukuqhamuka sengithi hayi sayinani la yenze nokuthi kaso ngidinga information so I can equip abanye nami ngibafundise. So this information engiyitholayo, this education engiyitholayo lana ibaluleke kakhulu. So as ama-artist kubalulekile ukuthi masithola ama-opportunities kungabi ne-opportunity shay one ozoyibukela phansi uthi come on, this one what this one what. No, take it as long as imitha lokhu wena ukufunayo empilweni. Grab the opportunity and ukwazi ukukhulisa nabanye abantu because akugcini la esikhona asonke isikhathi kuyaqhubeka ku-elevator kuya phambili ngempilo. So every chance, every opportunity, come on, asike sibe busy la. Angithi sibhizi la ithupeni akungabi ukuthetha kuphela. Let's just check other things asikwazi ukusinikeza ama-opportunities ukuze wasiqhubela phambili. Abo-art and culture bakhona there for izimo ezikanje ukuthi sikwazi ukubona ama-opportunities. Let's grab ama-opportunities as ama-artist, asizi-equipeni nge-knowledge, asizi-equipeni nge-information, sikwazi ukuqhubekela phambili. Sonke sifuna le, but then kuyale kune-step. So we should take each and every step and see. No, sometimes mina bonje ngamanje ngitshelele ngathi let me just take one step at a time on everything I do because ngeke ngajaha. Singamathi siyajaha like I want this. You run ungazi ukhohlwe ngisho nezinto ezibalekile emuva including bona bo-administration. You just run, you just want to go there, you just want to be there, but then ukhohlwe ilokhu ukukhandayo because i-foundation ebalekile ayo into yenzayo. Have a strong foundation for you to see la uyakhona. Because without a foundation, everything was in a crash. I crashed, I failed, I dropped out, I did a lot of things, I did a lot of mistakes empilweni, but then wonke ngiyafunda, ngiyaqhubeka ngiyaphambili I right my wrongs, basho nje empilweni. I even pray to Almighty to right my wrongs each and every time angabe khona la ngiphutha khona. So I'll urge you lapho khona, not to be khona in space. Value other people, value your space, value what you do. Value yourself, uthande into oyenzayo ukuze nabanye abantu bazoyithanda. Ngiyacela information onayo. Awukuthi mawenza something uthi ke ishikazi umntwana uzothini noma angenze ngibe mentor to this child. Yabona, let us just think for a better future labezemva kwethu. So if thina sifundile, si write ama-papers, si write ama-computers, definitely nabazobona isibonelo esihle kuthina bafunde qhubekele phambili. So sinama-artists siyadingana sibambane ngezandla and kubalulekile ukuthi ucollaborate nabanye abantu. It's not only your friends abakusekle yakho abazokwazi ukubukuse somewhere somehow you need to channel yourself ufune space, make that circle bigger and keep moving forward, either one step or two steps, but then keep moving forward. Don't forget Psyco Mqwathi PSYCO. This is dope, hot and fresh. I am dope, hot and fresh. Can you feel it?
Dope, hot and fresh all day, every day is too much.